Thank you so much for your poems this week. Um, so here's my perspective, the point of view that you're telling this story from, um, is from, it's the perspective of a woman whose sister is giving birth to a new baby. That's what I got. So if that's correct, and that's the point of view that you're trying to tell this story from, then I think you totally nailed it. Um, in terms of including the sensory details of the poem, I mean, I think the morning rays from the sun, it's still being dark outside. I think the feelings of scared, excited, wonder, right? I think that all of those details are great. I think the the details of the physicality of birth are really great. The fact that the room's cold, but the sister is drenched in sweat and from the labor. Um, I love the detail halfway through the poem. I'm never having kids. I thought it was really funny. I thought it was a beautiful moment of levity in the poem. For the second one, the first question you asked was, can your hair be a part of cultural identity? Yes, of course, yes. I think the topic of this is great. I also really like the repetition you use. Um, we can straighten it, curl it, and weave it. I feel like I guess my question is I wanted to see that repetition a little bit more in this poem. I think it would really serve it. It would really serve the rhythm of it, and the narrative details of this poem if there was a little bit more repetition. So right now I see opportunities for that with kinky woolly just nappy. Is there an opportunity for you to repeat this line a few other places in the poem? Um, is there a way for you to kind of standardize curly it, weave it, rather than curl it, weave it, right? Is there a way that you can standardize that line and repeat it a few more times in the poem? Um, and then this idea of just like you, I feel like that comes up throughout the poem. And I'm wondering if you wanted to formalize that be just like you and have it be on its own on a line and repeated. So those are some suggestions moving forward with these edits on things you can play with to see where you might go, what direction you might go with this poem. Thank you so much for your poetry this week. Thanks for writing about autobiographical topics. I know it's not always easy, and I really appreciate the efforts you made.